Hey YouTube, it's Eli. Welcome back to my channel for another video. In today's video, I have 5 tips for you on how to create better content for your YouTube channel.
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry. I got a poor man's Bentley. First swoop was a Benz. Put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot over here.
First off, I want to apologize for not dropping this video sooner. The time completely ran away from me, and before I knew it, the week was over. Again, I apologize for not dropping this sooner. Let's get into this video. The original idea I had for this video was to take a look back with you guys and see if there's been any improvement throughout all the previous videos I've had in this channel. But I thought I'd let you guys do that on your own. Links is going to be in the description for all previous videos, so go ahead and check them out and come back here with feedback. What did you notice? Did anything change? Has there been any improvement? And what do I still need to keep working on? And speaking of links in the description, there's going to be Amazon link on the description for all the equipments that I use to make these videos possible. If you want to grab any of them, just go ahead and use one of my links. Now, those links are affiliated links, so if you do make a purchase, I will get a small commission, which in turn would help me keep making better videos for you guys. And as always, don't forget to drop a like, comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, make sure to hit on the subscribe button for more videos like this. Number 1 is to find a niche. There's nothing wrong with having your channel cover different areas or different topics, but if you do choose to do that, make sure to explore those different topics because people do like consistency. There's nothing worse than a channel that just jumps from video to video week after week. If you're gonna talk about a topic, make sure that you explore that topic. Continue making videos on that topic, like touch different aspects of it. Don't just jump from one video to the next one. And number 2, research your topic of interest. Whatever it is that you choose to focus on your channel, make sure that you do research on it. Know what people want from it. There is nobody on earth that knows everything about everything. But when you are talking about something, it's always good to know what you're saying because people will quickly pick out that you don't know what you're talking about. They will not continue to watch your channel because if they're not getting any useful information from you, then what's the point of watching you? Number 3 is to prepare your video. There's nothing worse than watching a video where the YouTuber or the person in the video just looked like they just turned on the camera and just started talking and not actually had a plan. Like, you might know what you're talking about, but you need to prepare it to make sure that you have specific points that you're talking about so people can follow along. Some people could just go right off the top, but some people, they need to actually have a plan that they need to follow. Something like bullet points that they're gonna focus on, and some people might need to write out a full script. It's gonna help your viewers be able to follow along what you're saying better. Number 4 is to practice. Practice your videos. I know that might sound dumb to some people, but actually practicing your videos will help it come out better. I am guilty of doing this. If you don't wanna go through the process of re-recording just to have a good take, make sure you practice your videos. And number 5 is your set. I know not everybody has the luxury of having a beautiful studio where they can just sit down and record their video in, but you need to mind your surrounding. There's not really much I can say about this topic. All you need to do is just mind your surrounding and make sure that you're not showing anything on your video that could be distracting and take the viewer's attention away from what you're saying. And one more bonus tip I have for you guys is how you edit your videos. Editing your videos shows a lot about the amount of effort that you actually put into making this video. Certain mistakes just gotta go. There's nothing else I can say about it. It just looks bad on the video. And that is all I got for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, make sure to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time in the next video.
Time is money. Yeah, this ain't money, don't grow on trees, so how I'm pussy get some money. If I ain't thuggin', I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies won't love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case, yeah. Money and everything.